All right, let's break down Amazon Web Services, or AWS. What's it all about? So, you've probably heard the name AWS thrown around, but what is it really? At its core, it's a huge cloud platform. It gives you IT resources right over the internet. The cool thing is, you only pay for what you use, and its services connect, kind of like Legos. Okay, let's start with the first set of those building blocks, compute and storage. Compute services are basically the brains of the operation, your virtual servers in the cloud. You've got Amazon EC2 for those servers, and AWS Lambda to just run code, no servers needed. Right, and all that computing needs data. That's exactly where storage services come in. Amazon S3 is perfect for things like images. Then there's EBS, which is like a virtual hard drive. Next up, how do we connect everything and manage the data? Let's talk networking and databases. Networking is all about creating your own private, secure little corner of the AWS cloud. Amazon VPC builds your virtual network, and Route 53, that's what points users to your app. And for your data, AWS has a whole menu of different databases for whatever you need. So Amazon RDS is great for standard databases. For newer, faster apps, there's DynamoDB. Okay, this is super important. Security, identity, and how you actually govern it all. These services are all about controlling who can access what inside your AWS account. AWS IAM is key for managing permissions. And AWS Shield, that's your defense against attacks. And you gotta keep an eye on spending, right? That's where governance and cost tools help. AWS Budgets keeps your costs in check. And CloudTrail logs absolutely everything that happens. So where does all this stuff actually live? Let's check out the massive AWS global infrastructure. It's all powered by data centers all over the world, grouped into what they call AWS regions. A region is just a specific geographic area, like a country, that has a bunch of data centers. Now, inside each region, you'll find multiple isolated availability zones, or AZs for short. Think of an AZ as one or more data centers. They're isolated, so if one fails, you're still good. So, with all these tools and this global reach, what could you build with it?
If you learned something new in this video, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next bite.